Our planet is awash in plastic. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, its presence is inescapable. We see plastic bottles littering our beaches, plastic bags swirling in the wind. But there's a more insidious threat lurking beneath the surface: microplastics. These tiny particles, smaller than 5 millimeters in size, are often invisible to the naked eye. They break down from larger plastic pieces, worn down by the relentless forces of nature. These fragments infiltrate our environment, our food chain, and ultimately our bodies. Their pervasive presence is a stark reminder of humanity's impact on the natural world. It's a problem we can no longer ignore, for it's not just the planet at stake, it's our health. The human body is an intricate marvel, a network of interconnected systems working in unison. But this delicate balance is increasingly under threat as microplastics find their way into our very bloodstream. A recent study published in the New York Post revealed a startling finding. Researchers discovered microplastics lodged within the walls of human arteries. Even more alarming, these particles were found in significantly higher concentrations in stroke victims. This discovery sends a chill down the spine. It suggests a link between these minuscule particles and one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The implications are profound, demanding urgent attention from the scientific community and beyond. While the precise effects of microplastics on human health are still being unraveled, the emerging evidence is concerning. Scientists believe these foreign particles could be disrupting our bodies in myriad ways. One area of concern is the potential impact on gene expression. Research suggests microplastics may interfere with the delicate machinery of our cells, potentially deactivating genes crucial for fighting inflammation and other vital functions. Furthermore, these particles could be wreaking havoc on our organs. Once lodged within tissues, microplastics could trigger inflammation, damage cells, and disrupt organ function. This damage could increase the risk of a range of diseases, from heart disease and cancer to infertility and developmental problems. The unknowns surrounding microplastic toxicity are vast. But one thing is clear: their presence within our bodies is a gamble we cannot afford to take. The fight against microplastic pollution might seem daunting, but every individual has a role to play. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can collectively reduce our exposure to these insidious particles and protect our health. Start by minimizing single-use plastics. Opt for reusable water bottles, coffee cups, and shopping bags. Avoid plastic straws, cutlery, and packaging whenever possible. Choose natural fibers like cotton and wool over synthetic fabrics, which shed microplastics during washing. Support companies committed to sustainable practices and reducing plastic packaging. The future of our planet and our health depends on our collective action. By raising awareness, making informed choices, and advocating for change, we can stem the tide of microplastic pollution and safeguard the well-being of generations to come.